What the hell?
It's beautiful, right? Right?
It's not bad. It's like sherbet.
No.
Sherbet ice cream.
Sherbet ice cream?
Yeah. See that orange?
Yeah.
Sherbet. Now that's a UFO. That's a ship. That's a ship, people. There's two of them, actually three. Yeah, let's see, 1, 2, 3. So 3 ships, man. You got the color orange sherbet in the sky. Does anybody remember sherbet ice cream back in the 70s? Check out that cloud. Where are we? Yeah. It's got the ripples going on. Yeah. Look at the plumes. But yeah, that looks like a ship to me, man. Yeah, it looks like a eel or something, man. It's got that red vein down the middle of it. Yeah. And guess who shows up? See, orange sherbet sky. Looks like a V right there, man, for Velon, right? Your V, your red V. Yep, today is definitely UFO day. I think that if I should add something, that today has been a very low frequency day. So I don't know if they're doing a number with EMR, but today has been definitely a low frequency. So yep, that looks like definitely a ship. Remember, people, you gotta stand your ground when you see this shit go down. Okay? You have to hold your position. Believe in yourself no matter what. Okay? It's all part of the second cup. Okay? Period. End of discussion. Because they want you down on your knees. Because, you know, it's the old problem solution deal. Okay? Yep. That's definitely a ship. I would say that is the Millennium Falcon. If I was to use my imagination. That's a ship, kids. Parked right outside my house, man. But today has been low frequency day. It's been really hard for me to, like, you know, feel motivated and stuff. But, you know, I saw this stuff in the sky. I was like, you know what? Better start making some videos. So that y'all know what you're dealing with. And guess what? They're chemtrailing me as I speak. I told you. I'm speaking the truth to you guys. I ain't bullshitting you. They want an old world, they want a new world religion, but it's the old world order. It's nothing new. Okay? You have to hold your position and who and what you are. You're made of light, color, and sound. You're fucking awesome. You're all independent, and the mission of this planet right now for humanity is to get this fucking nanotechnology and get away from the gray technology. Get away from the hive. We need to disconnect from the hive. That is the mission statement. The mission statement is to get back our pineal gland, our chakra system, and who and what we are. And disconnect this fucking spraying shit. These black ops pieces of shit. Their shit needs to end, man. That is the goal. That is the mission. To get back who and what we are. Not be hooked up to some NSA mind reader thing. Because they have holograms, mind reading. I've done so many videos on all the stuff they have. Jump room technology. They can impersonate your voice, facial recognition. They can do holograms. They can do holographic pictures of. Oh, I've seen this. Like one time I was sitting in the living room, and I swear to God, I was talking to someone in my family, and I thought it was really them, and it wasn't them. It freaked me out. I was like, what? So they're able to use holographic images to impersonate other people. Kind of like a doppelganger. But I also know that they've been cloning. So it's a hell of a shit, man. like I said, you know, I talk about this stuff, they start spraying me like a bug. So, I know things are crazy in the news. I don't even want to look at the news. I'm just like, yeah. But, you know, I wanted to show you how they're morphing. See, this ship here, where are we? Hold on here, let me zoom in. This ship here has morphed. See, he used to be big, long, and fat and looked like a damn eel. Yeah, they morph. The morphing technology, it's shape-shifting. So, like I said, today's UFO day, so today I'm going to be uploading a shitload of UFOs in the sky. Or cloud UFOs. I'll call them cloud UFOs. So you're going to see a bunch of videos today with all sorts of stuff. And like I said, today's been kind of a real droopy day. I don't know if they're running ELF heavily or what. But I got, it's just kind of like my motivation is kind of like, But, you know, I wanted to prove, you know, show you this stuff because I have a duty to do this. That is a big ass shit, man. So let's see, I'm 11 minutes in. Okay, so I got a few more minutes. But I wanted to show you the triad, so that's, you know, there's 1, 2, and then 3. And your helicopter guys, they always show up. Yep, there he is. He's over the UFO. Let's see what happens here. He's going to go. He's going to go underneath it. He dropped pretty low. Look how low that helicopter went. Where is he? Huh. I have a feeling that was a hologram. That was a hologram, ladies and gentlemen. You just experienced a helicopter with light, color, and sound go through, and then it dissipated. That was a hologram. So that's how sophisticated their technology is. Okay? So... that's a big ship. Well, I gotta cut it short because 15 minutes is coming up, so I'm gonna cut this in about 10 minutes. So, I wanted to show you this because I need to educate you all. So, I'm going to cut it short right now because I only got 15 minutes. Adios.